Here we are, Sanibel Island, Lighthouse Beach. This is the parking area over here on the Gulf side. It's not too busy today. Saw some dolphins earlier. Might see a dolphin now. There's one right there. I'll go down and see if I can get a video of him swimming by here. Should see him come up pretty soon. There he goes. He's right out a little bit farther out in front of them people that are in the water right there. Or she. Could be a she dolphin. Oh, there we go. Be coming up again any second down there. There you go, right there. Wow, lots of activity out here today. So, crossed over the way, that's Fort Myers Beach over there, and there's the lighthouse. Got an osprey sitting up on top of the lighthouse, decorated for Christmas. We got another little wedding this afternoon over here. Just a table unity package. So that's Lighthouse Beach today. Check out our website, beachweddingdeals.com. Merry Christmas.